Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now in this video, I am reviewing the Immortal EA, an automated trading system available for both MT4 and MT5. Looking at the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that the EA is developed by Paranchai Tensit and is currently priced at 90 US dollars with a 1-year rental option available for 50 US dollars. The current version listed is version 1.0. Now, starting with the overview section, the developer explains that Immortal EA is based on a trend trading strategy. Now, according to the description, the system is designed to follow established market trends and react when market direction changes. So if a move develops against the existing trend, the EA is designed to exit positions, wait for a new trend to establish itself, and then re-enter when that trend becomes confirmed. So the developer also states that the EA has been backtested using 9 years of real tick data covering the period from 2015 through 2023. So that is useful information because longer testing periods generally provide a broader view of how a strategy has behaved under different market environments. So as I continue through the marketplace page, we can see that the recommended trading time frame is M15. All right. And the developer states that the EA can be used on any currency pair. So the product information also notes support for both 4-digit and 5-digit accounts with a suggested starting deposit of $500 or more. Okay, so looking at the feature set and input parameters, one of the key areas of flexibility is position sizing. Traders can choose between dynamic lot sizing and fixed lot sizing, while the risk parameter allows trade volume to scale according to account equity. There are also settings related to gap distance calculations, ATR based adjustments, maximum order limits, and lot multipliers. The EA includes additional controls for profit management, where users can choose between automatic balance-based profit handling or target profit objectives. All right, risk management settings are also available, including drawdown protection that can close all open positions once a specified drawdown percentage is reached. There are also practical trading controls such as maximum spread filters, slippage limit, trading sessions scheduling, broker GMT offset adjustments, and optional controls for Monday and Friday trading activity. Now, moving into the historical backtesting section, the developer specifically mentions the use of real tick data with 100% modeling quality. Now, as always, historical testing is valuable because it allows us to evaluate how the strategy performed during past market conditions, right? But it should never be interpreted as a guarantee of future performance. So let us start by looking at the information provided here. This is Immortal MT5. It was run on Euro USD M15 time frame from 1st January 2015 to 17th April 2023. And we can see that these are the settings, right? The input settings. And here we can see the back-tested results. Initial deposit was $1,000. Net profit 16,728.92. The profit factor was 1.23, and total trades taken were 7,656, out of which 5,676 were profitable, giving us a 74.14% win rate. But I can see here that the equity drawdown relative was up to 36.02%. Right, that's quite a significant drawdown, and the balance drawdown relative was 25.22%. Okay, now let's also head over to our strategy tester so we can see how this EA performed in 2026. Right, we are testing the Immortal MT5 EA on AUD/CAD on the M15 time frame. We are running the test from the beginning of 2026 till date, And as for the delays, we're just going to use the last ping to the server, every tick modeling. Looking at the results, we didn't have any trade executed here based on this data. But let me quickly check the journal. Okay, I don't seem to find a specific reason why no trades were taken. I don't see an error message per se here. But what we are going to do real quick is I'm going to turn on the visual mode and let us see the EA in action. All right. After all, we have already looked at the backtested report here presented on the MQL5 page, right? We have already seen a backtested report covering, quite a long, a length of time. This should be about 8 years and 4 months. It's not exactly complete 9 years, but at least it covered over 8 years, right? But we're also just going to look at the EA in action, right? And you can see here that the dashboard shows the balance, the equity, the margin, of course, the date as well, date and time, and then the free margin, profit or loss, stop level, spread, swap long, swap short, the symbol, the time frame, and the leverage. So when reviewing the historical chart activity and history, the behavior aligns the trade history. The behavior aligns with the trend following concept described on the product page. But based on the information provided, the EA is designed to participate in established directional movement, exit when conditions move against the prevailing trend, and wait for a new trend structure before re-engaging the market. I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions, broker environments, and optimization settings. As for the historical backtest results, remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. Performance can vary significantly depending on things like risk configuration, lot sizing choices, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, and overall market conditions. User specific optimization can also influence outcomes considerably. So overall, the Immortal EA for MT4 and MT5 presents a trend-focused approach supported by extensive backtesting history, flexible money management settings, and a range of trading controls. So before considering live deployment, I would strongly encourage testing the EA on a demo account and evaluating different configurations to determine whether it aligns with your trading objectives and risk tolerance. Now, if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insights. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.